Remember, physical reality is the world of effects. It is the realm of shadows. Physical reality, the material world, circumstances, everything you can touch, see, hear, taste, and feel with your skin. This is final expression, the last expression. But the world of causes, where everything starts, is energy. It is the fourth dimension. Now, many times when people do shadow work for a long time, they don't see any evidence in their physical reality. But unbeknownst to you, a lot of things are happening energetically, and sometimes you become disheartened, knowing not that you are at the very verge of breaking through or shifting to a higher timeline, and then you drop the ball. Now, the momentum of your everyday existence, of your being as a person, as an identity, you are vibrating at a specific frequency before you started shadow work. And this frequency maintained a timeline. It held everything together, your relationships with family, with your friends, with your colleagues, the things that you see on social media, your algorithm, your life force, your attention, your aura, your orbit of your bioenergetic field held this together. So the moment you actively and consciously step on this path of doing shadow work, of pulling back your attention and placing it on your own self, you annihilate momentum. You break patterns already by just gearing down slowly with decommissioning. And this will be seen, this will be felt, and at times there will be evidence of this, but you have never seen it in this way. When you stand absolutely still for 10 minutes and you do nothing, you don't move your feet, you don't fiddle with your fingers, you stand still for 10 minutes and you just regulate your breathing. If something like this becomes a habit, it means in the fourth dimension there is a recalibration of reality, and every person on that timeline will feel it. They won't know, but they will experience it. You see, your light will start to increase when you speak less, when you become a little bit more selfish with your own energy, when you don't debate and argue as much. That's externally. They don't even have to know you meditate. But there will be signs, because you will now become walking karma. You see, tranquility in a world that is built on reluctant sacrifice and validation and chaos and striving and ambition and hustle and grind. When someone is absolutely happy for no reason, your tranquility will create a little confusion, and you don't even have to be in the presence of people. They will know even in your absence, when you didn't go to the party, or you are just a little scarce, or you say less. The G-force, even you will feel it. You will experience vertigo. Your sleep patterns will be disrupted. But the most important thing is, you must understand, you will become a walking mirror for the shadows. Your light will not only attract opportunities, but it will cast long shadows. And in these long shadows will reappear the ghost of your past, the past version of you before you started shadow work. And energetically, those who have access to the 4D that is not even in your life, the systems that profit of the despair of people, of the controlling hands, the the very unseen hands that feed of your life force will also feel it. And this will create a lot of, what do you call it, tug of war, push and pull, and this will create vertigo. And so your life starts as the walking karma. And this becomes the generational curse breaker, because it will reveal the shadows within people. It will reveal many things. And it is in this period that you have to stand still. You have to anchor yourself. You have to become grounded. You have to learn to walk barefoot. Because energetically, there will be psychic attacks. There will be discussions about you. People will project the intellect, even yours, before you started shadow work. You placed people intellectually in compartments, in categories. Now your tranquility, your peacefulness, your calmness, your detachment, it will create cognitive dissonance within people, because they cannot now place you anymore. So there will erupt little consternation.